Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. So today one JEE Main question based on functions and series. This can be a Math Olympiad challenge also. The question is f of x equals to 2 power x over 2 power x plus square root 2. X belongs to real number. The value of summation k equals to 1 to 81. F of k over 82 is, the options are 41, 82, 81 over 2 and 81 root 2. So starting from f of x equals to 2 power x over 2 power x plus square root 2. It is given. So I'll get f of 1 minus x. So let's see how much it will be. It will be 2 power 1 minus x over 2 power 1 minus x plus square root 2. I am simplifying this. So 2 to the power 1 minus x can be written as 2 over 2 power x and 2 power 1 minus x plus root 2. So on further simplification, I will multiply the denominator with 2 to the power x, then it will be 2 plus square root 2 into 2 to the power x. Now again further simplification, f of 1 minus x can be written as taking root 2 common from both your terms in the denominator. It will be 2 over root 2 into root 2 plus 2 to the power x, and root 2 will cancel with this, so I'll get root 2 over root plus 2 to the power x. So now see, this is f of x, this is your f of 1 minus x. I am adding these two. So f of x plus f of 1 minus x equals to 2 power x over 2 power x plus root 2 plus root 2 over 2 to the power x plus root 2. They have same denominator. So it is 2 to the power x plus root 2, and in the numerator we are getting 2 to the power x plus root 2. The answer is 1. So f of x plus f of 1 minus x equals to 1. So now coming to the sum. Sum is summation here k equals to 1 to 81. K f of k over 82. We'll find this sum. So this is nothing but your f of 1 over 82 plus f of 2 over 82, so on, f of 80 over 82, and the last term is f of 81 over 82. So if we make them pair, your as to utilize this relation, we'll take f of 1 over 82 plus f of 81 by 82, because f of x is 1 by 82, it will be 1 minus 1 by 82. Similarly, f of 2 over 82 plus f of your 1 minus 2, that will be 80 over 82. How many times you will get? You will get 40 times. And what is the single term, that will be f of 41 over 82. So using this f of x plus f of 1 minus x is 1. So these two will give you 1. These two will give you 1. It will be 40 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 40 times, plus f of 41 over 82. That means f of 1 by 2. So this equals to 40 plus f of half. Now putting in this function, I will get 40 plus 2 to the power half over 2 to the power half plus root 2. Root 2 means your 2 to the power half again. So on simplification, I will get 40 plus this will be 2 to the power half by 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power half. It will be 1 by 2. So the answer is your 81 over 2. So let us see which part is the answer. So C will be the third will be the answer. So 3 is answer. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. So please keep on watching.